Hi everyone, my name is Yass, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite Spirit of Anarchy products, which is the Arte Blue Vodka. Arte Blue embodies the boldness and creativity of the legendary artist Pablo Picasso during his blue period from 1901 to 1904. Arte Blue is infused with the natural sweetness of blueberry, the zesty tang of orange, lemon and lime, and the juicy note of raspberry. So today I'm going to make you a Nomad Elixir using the Arte Blue. We're going to start with 20 ml of Arte Blue Vodka, 30 ml of Sapling Vodka, 10 ml of Saint-Germain Elderflower Liqueur, $20 ml of Lychee Puree, just 10 ml of acid solution, and 20 ml of homemade mint and lime cordial. To this, I'm going to add 2 dashes of Peychaud liqueur and 3 dashes of salt solution. Going to shake all that. And I'm going to top it with some Elderflower Tonic water. And serve it in a frosted glass. With an ice spear. Et voilà, you got your Nomad Elixir made with Arte Blue Vodka. If you'd like to see more information or recipe about our Spirit of Anarchy product, please check out our website.